This is what they do to look good in the YouTube. All this to look good for the camera. Frank's worried about how he's going to look in this video.
He looks fine. Oh, he's doing his hair. Yes, Frank. Oh, Italian stallion.
Oh, it looks good now. Let's get into it. Anyway, hi guys, my name is Spencer and welcome back to the ONYX YouTube channel. Today we're going to be focused on ONYX auto bodies because we have got some very special cars in for you today. And Frank's going to come in now. He's going to do some talking for us. He's going to tell us what these cars are in for. But first, we're going to show you what's outside.
So we've got two Porsches. These have come from Porsche Wolverhampton. This one here, as you can see, has had a full strip down in the front end. So obviously painting the front end on this one. We've got a side paint on this. We've pulled it out for now just to let it cure and dry. It's already been dried good. So once we're ready, we'll pull that back in. We'll get it all flatted and ready for paint and masked up. Get that in the booth. This one here has come in for front bumper paint. That's why we took it off. That's what we do with every job we do. We take it off, strip it down to a complete shell. We do edge to edge paint. After we're finished with this, that's going to next door so they can do a full detail on it. And then this one has just turned off. Now this previously come in around a couple of weeks ago. We done the front bumper and the two wings. We tried to sell the bonnet to the customer. Now he's agreed and he wants the bonnet painting. So it's come back for a bonnet paint. But also in the time that he's had it, he's managed to drive this forward, damage the vents here and damage the glass.
How long ago was that?
Last week.
Wasn't this in our first weekly? Wasn't it? In our first weekly, now he's back in again. Let's head inside where all the special cars are. Straight away, this Ford Escort. Very rare car.
Cosworth.
Tell me when the last time you've seen one of these on the streets. Let me know. There's one here right now. What's this one in for?
Now this one here, as you can see all the X's on it, it's because we've marked up all the damage that's around it.
Yeah.
It's got front end paint due to stone chips. It's got a few little dinks on the bonnet as well. So we'll be painting that, but due to the colour and the fact that it's an old car, 9 times out of 10 this is painted in solvent. Obviously most body shops now work with water based, but you can still get solvent based, so we'll match the colour in solvent and we might go into the doors for a blend depending on the colour that we get. So yeah, this is going to go through the same as what that Porsche did. It's going to have a front end strip, then it's out, body off, lights off, everything down to a bare shell, and then make start basically.
One of my favourite cars you've got right now. Evo. Very clean. Full restoration on this car.
It's had a full restoration, full respray, everything was stripped down.
But the experts do it. Look how clean this engine bay is. Cleanest Evos I've ever seen. Just going to fix up a few marks and scratches because he wants Jay, the cameraman right now actually. This is actually his. But we're going to make sure this is absolutely top notch for him. We're going to make sure it's super clean. No marks on the car whatsoever. Keep the value of this car up. In here.
So, Lamborghini. It's had a previous repair at another garage for a front bumper. Basically we're taking the bumper off and we're redoing it again because the customer wasn't happy with what was done at the garage. So full strip down the front bumper, as you can see now I'm taking it off as you speak. As soon as that's removed, we'll strip all the parts off the bumper itself and then get it prepped up. But we've got to paint it twice because there's a satin section and then obviously the yellow section, which is called a Jallo Orion, I think it's called, yeah, colour's called. It took us 2 weeks to get a colour match. We had to send everything off to the lab, but we've got a decent match now. We've got the customer in to get it sorted.
There you go. So you're basically saying he's had it done at another garage. Yep. He wasn't happy, so he came to a proper garage.
Well, it's meant to be PPF after, and due to the actual paint work that's been done, we can't PPF because 9 times out of 10 the lap is going to peel off. It's already bubbling up. So he came to a proper garage to sum it all up, get it all sorted out. Proper car, get the
proper job.
on it.
Exactly. No messing about.
No messing about.
Moving around the back. We actually have done a video on this car that you're about to see. We'll come and show you now. Let's see if I can do the talking on this one. Yeah, let the noob do this one. So, this R8, we've actually done a video on this. I'll leave it in the cards if you guys are interested. We've actually done a carbon repair on the, oh, I'll say Frank and the boys have done a really good job on the carbon repair on the diffuser. So the boys have pulled the bumper off, pulled the diffuser off, and there was actually damage on the carbon right here. And you can't see it anymore. Why? Proper job, proper car, exactly. So I'm going to show you a little picture now of what it was actually like. But if you want to see the full detailed video, I'll leave that up in the cards. Yeah, it's about about to get cleaned up and sent back to the customer. And it's also underneath as well. I don't know if you've able to see this now, because I don't even know what side it's on because it was so clean. What was it? It fell off a curb, was it? It dropped off a curb?
He's come off, he's hit the curb, and it's ripped the bumper off, and it actually broke the bumper. It was in this area.
I'll leave a little clip in right now. I actually had the two pieces in my hand, and the boys have stuck that back on, and you can't tell. I say stuck.
Bit of bubble gum,
Stuck a bit of bubble gum, stuck it on there, bit of tape.
Plastic welded it, mate. Plastic welded it, fibre plastic welded.
Yeah, that rear bumper looking like it never ever dropped off a curb. But yeah.
Zoom into Purdy if you want.
Yeah, if you zoom into Purdy, find him on Tinder.
Give us a smile, Purdy.
But there you go. You know what? So look, he's running away now. Look, he's running away. Here's boss man. keep an eye on him all. We are going to be doing videos on these cars as well, so make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a video from us. Check out the website down in the description. We have actually just launched our website, so make sure you go drop a review and check out everything else in the description. If you guys want your car repaired, make sure you go to ONYX Autobodies and ONYX Autobodies only. But yeah, see you guys soon.